So hey guys, James here back with another video. So today I'm doing the basically assembly installation of the Synology DS16 Play NAS, and so I've already done the unboxing. You can find that in the link in the description below. I'll leave that there. But this is just the installation. So I've got to recap, I've got a red Western Digital 6TB NAS hard drive, and I've got the Synology DS16 Play. So let's put this power stuff aside. This is an Ethernet, so to power Ethernet, and let's just get down to installing this thing. So let's just open this hard drive. Nice and rectangular NAS hard drive right there. And so let's read the instructions, because reading the instructions is a good thing to do. So it says put it on its side and push. So put it like that. Okay, so the feet are that way, and then push. There we go. Okay, and then lift it off. So basically it comes pre-unscrewed, so you don't have to unscrew anything. So leave that there, and then behind you'll see this is what it looks like. And so you can see there's two slots for the hard drive, so you can just do that, and then basically you secure it. So I'm assuming you put the hard drive in, so I'm only using one at the moment, so I'm just going to stick that in here. I'm going to slide that nice. Oh, actually, let's just show you first. So on the side you can see here there are rubber screw grommets, so that's good for anti-vibration, so you won't get any noise from that. That's obviously the two slots for your hard drive, and then you screw in through these sides on both sides, and then you have the fan as well. So you don't need to connect anything, you don't need to do it. It's basically plug and play essentially. Well, you do need to screw this in, but it's pretty simple. So just making sure that that lines up. That looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna use these screws, because these are your hard drive screws, to screw it in. Just gonna do it from this angle. So I'm not gonna fully tighten them. So if you watched my previous video on this monitor arm, you would have heard me, screwing preferably opposite sides. I can't be well at the moment. But yeah, not screwing tightly, so that you can all get a good fit, and then you screw. So don't screw tightly from the very beginning. Alright, so now I can screw a bit harder, tighten those up. Now take note that the RAM on this is not upgradable, so do take note of that. So you can only so this is interesting. They give you extra, so obviously that's 4, so I'll give you a better shot there. So that's 4 screws there, and they give you an extra 2 if you lose. So I think it's really good when companies do that. I really do appreciate that. So once you've installed the drives, you screwed them in, yep, then you put it back. So we'll flip this thing around. This guy will slot on the railings here and be pushed against here, and you use the screws to screw on the front 2 at the back, and that's it. There is only 2, so they again give you a spare one because there are 3 screws here. So let's just screw this in. So that's really good. Not many people give spare screws nowadays. They kind of just give you exact. Even IKEA sometimes don't give you spare screws when you buy their furniture, but I think it's a really good idea. Alright, so we've screwed those 2 screws in. Those are the only 2 screws that I can see that you and the instructions tell you, so they give you a spare one. So thank you, Synology, for doing that. And yeah, I'll leave that spare screw here, and then I'll keep these next time for when I install another hard drive into this mess. But that's pretty much it. And then later you go, it tells you to go in the instructions, go to so you get find Synology.com, and then you go to or that one, and then you can basically set up the installation, which I will do, but I won't show you that, guys, because I don't have any screen recording capabilities. But yeah, that's just been a really quick installation, quick guide to this Synology DS16 Play. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Like it if you liked it, and dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. I'll get around to answering those, and I'll leave a link, as I said in my unboxing, to the guy who helped me to decide to get this. There's a guy who runs a YouTube channel, and he does comparison videos, and so he really helped me to decide on getting this one, because it can be really confusing for people who aren't familiar with networking or NASs or anything. So yeah, shout out to him, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.